You know exactly what you want to build: the tool, the app, the automation that finally runs your business for you. You can see the destination, clear as day. You just have no idea how to get there. And you're not about to learn to code your way across the entire map. So AI hands you a car, fast, powerful, goes anywhere. One catch: it didn't come with directions. It's just you, a giant paper map, and a passenger who is absolutely no help. So you take the scenic route straight off a cliff. You park in a lake. You loop the same roundabout for 3 months, somehow further from what you wanted than the day you started. Here's what nobody tells you: the car was never the problem. You were just missing the directions, a system, turn by turn, that takes you from "I have an idea" all the way to "it's built and it works." That's the whole thing we do. We hand you the route real builders actually use. So AI takes you exactly where you meant to go, not off a cliff. What used to take a whole team, a full year, and a pile of money, you drive there yourself. And you're not driving alone. This is AI code that works. Free courses that ride the whole route with you, a free kit that loads the map on day one, and a whole convoy already headed exactly where you're going. You don't have to become a mechanic. You just need the directions. The map is free. Come build the thing you've been driving toward. Hop in.